Next, we're talking about regulatory, compliance, filings, that type of risk exposure. The types of things that you have been doing all along may not be the right things. For example, in Texas, every year we have to file what's called a public information report. Most other states do have some sort of annual report that you have to file. If you have not been filing those things, it's possible that your business could have forfeited its privileges to do business in the state, and maybe you don't even know about it. Because a lot of times these things get lost in the mail and you haven't even realized it. One thing to keep in mind is that when your company grows, you hit new thresholds where different laws will apply to your company. Data privacy. This is an area that's fast growing, it's fast moving, and constantly evolving, especially with AI being here. So it's really important that your business has data safety practices built in to make sure that not only your business's confidential information, but your vendors and your clients' confidential information is safe and protected. It's not being shared in violation of any laws, and it's not being plugged into any open source or publicly available AI software to where other people could eventually get that data out of the software. Lastly, industry-specific licensing. There's a lot of times you may need a specific license to operate in your industry. If you've not been renewing that license and keeping up with it, you potentially could have lost your license. Maybe you don't even know about it, but you could potentially put your license in jeopardy at a minimum. So it's always important to check to make sure that you're on top of your licensing at least once a year.